Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get rewards for like certain foods that you cook in Heartopia. So you'll need to cook a specific amount to get the reward. So if you go to collection, yes, the UI is new, super cool, super cute. Anyways, go to the Gourmet Life section and you'll see for each foods how much you need to cook to get the reward. So for grape jam, I still need to cook a few. I'll need to cook 960 to get the grape jam cooking mastery. And that's where you can get kind of like the reward. This applies to like a lot of the other um collections as well. So for the like butterfly here, I'll need to catch 120. Actually, I need 720 to get the catching master. And then you will get this reward here. I'll show you guys and I'll claim it with you. So go to details, tap to claim rewards, and I have this congratulations on obtaining the collectible certification from the Developers Club, Grilled Mushroom Cooking Mastery. So it basically gives you like an award sort of thing. Do I have it here? Here we go. This is what it looks like. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.